Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and coming to you from Norwood, Young America, and I am finishing up burying all the half-inch hose that runs along the ground up to the side of each raised bed. And I'm just going to show you a quick little video of how I'm doing this. And I'm just trenching down to the landscape fabric and then using landscape staples to hold the hose in place. And it's a pretty simple process, and I have a really long run of hose here, so I'm just gonna turn you around and have you look over my shoulder as I put this hose in. It's probably about 25 feet of space. I'm gonna set the camera down, and I don't know if you'll be able to hear me or not, but anyway, I'm gonna flip you around and set you up, and you can watch here. You see that long trench there? All right, I'm gonna set you in this bed here. Let me see. Can you see that entire thing? Yeah. All right, here we go. You don't want any rocks to get underneath the hose. That could be a problem later. But every couple of feet. And I got these new heavy-duty lawn staples that are much better than the ones I was using on the other road. So it's gonna go much faster because they won't bend and frustrate you. Pretty simple. I mean, you could even bury these lines under the landscape fabric before you even put the gravel in, but that would have to be next time. All right, so there you go, and now I'll just bury it. And I was going to leave it all open, but simply all you're doing. And obviously I'll go smooth it out later, but there you go, and just easy as that. It's under about 3 to 4 inches of gravel, and you'll never know it's there. And I just have to do the end of this row, that row, and that row. Should be done in about an hour, maybe less. And there you go. But I'll have some stuff later for you. I should have took pictures of that before I buried it, huh? I'll just do it next time on the other side. But anyway, simple as that. And I'll do some video once it's all buried and, you know, smooth this gravel out and look pretty nice. Talk to you later. Grow food, not lawns, my friends. See ya.